Right. Yeah, this is the floor functions. Huh? Now we can talk about few of the functions: ceiling, cos, theta. These are the okay. Rest of efforts are here. And exponential value we can talk about, but even though it is nowhere used for reporting, sir. Actually, exp. Okay, exp exponential 5, sir. You will get some value. See, sir, we have a big formula in the like what we can say in the mathematics.
Shiva,
Yeah.
Yeah,
To get to
network network issue.
network issue. Last check only connected. Not access only. Oh my god, what is happening with this here? I don't know. ये क्या होता है यार नेट वो ऑल कट రైట్ అదే అర్థం కావట్లేదు డిస్కనెక్టెడా కనెక్టెడా ఏమీ అర్థం కావట్లేదు ఇది అదే స్లోగా ఉందా నెట్వర్క్ సిగ్నల్స్ రావట్లేదా యా హలో
yeah, yes.
Yeah, I don't know sir how today it is happening many times actually. Okay, I connected. Okay, let's see sir. Yeah, it is exponential value sir. Okay, we have like
Okay.
log algorithms. There are many formulas sir to get the exponential value. Okay, that is the mathematical calculations only. Okay, if I give 5, this is the value you are going to get it. Or if you give 10 also, you will get some other value. Let's say something we will get it exponential value. Okay, here if I say sir, it is a division function sir. Okay, division division function. Suppose 10 comma 2 if I give, okay, you will get 5 sir. Division, what is the division here sir? If I say go to the notepad, sorry, not notepad, paint. There is the paint. Yeah, if I go paint here, let's see sir. Okay, if it is the calculation, okay, here whatever value you will get it sir, this is the division actually. Suppose if I say 10 here, okay, if I say 2 here, then what is the value we are going to get it sir? 5, right? If
5.
yeah, here this is the remainder value sir. This is the division, this is the remainder value. Now if I, for the same thing, if I give 11 sir, what is the output we can get it sir? 5 only, right? Yeah, because the 1 is the remainder, it become a remainder. Okay, now if I want to remainder value, okay, yeah, which one sir? No, we don't have that function sir. Yeah, okay, we just has to use this what we can say, what symbol, this is a percentage symbol we have to use, just give this one sir. Now what is the remainder we can get it sir? It is a 1 actually. Okay, now if I say 10, then you will get the 0 remainder. Okay, to get the remainder, okay, remainder, to get the remainder in a SQL we call it as a mode function, so modulo function. Okay, yeah, mode function we can say. This is the normal in SQL we used to do mod function, but here we don't have a mode function sir. We have to simply use this symbol, that is percentage symbol, we can use it. Okay, this is so very important sir sometimes. Okay, this is sometimes very important actually to get the remainder value here. Yeah, this is the floor we discussed sir already. Okay, yeah, floor ceiling and log algorithm, and here sir maximum is very important sir. Let's say maximum of sales. If I say sorry, maximum of sales, just close this one. See sir, this is the calculation to write here. We simply get this function. See sir, maximum of sales we can get it. See sir, this is the 22,600. Okay, 38 is the maximum. How we can identify whether it is a maximum or not sir? Simply you can view the data. Okay, go to the sales here. Okay, somewhere we can see the sales, right? Sales, simply descending order. See sir, simply descending order. 22,638 is the maximum value in that sales field. If I say minimum sir, I think you will get the 0 point something. Okay, if I say minimum, then we will get the 0 point some 444 something we can get. That is the minimum value in the overall sales actually. Let's say if I add a region here sir, if I add a region here, what is the output we can get it sir? Now central wise minimum value, this means it is a group by region. Okay, minimum value, that means central wise minimum value and east wise, okay, south west minimum value. If I apply a max here, max of sales, if I apply here, then see sir, you will get okay like region wise maximum sales. If I apply something ship mode or something, then a combination sir. Okay, region and ship mode wise minimum and maximum salary. Yeah, region and ship mode wise we will get the maximum value. That is, it happens normally. The minimum and the maximum, it works same way sir. But pi is always same value sir. Pi is a static value. Okay, it is a 22/7 sir. It is a pi is a 22/7. You will always get the 3.14 sir. Okay, because yeah, it is not a measure value. Simply it is coming like this. So you can drag it here as a calculator too. Okay, simply drag it here sir. See sir, it always you will get the 3.12 only. Now there are so many values. I don't want to display all of the value. I want to display two values sir, two decimals. There are so many decimals here, right? Yeah, I want to display only two decimals. There are two ways. So one, we can apply the round function. So, okay, round off, comma 2 you can give. Yes, sir. It will apply two decimals. This is also possible, sir. Actually, okay. Other way is okay. We can simply use formatting, sir. Other way is just we can simply use formatting. Close this one. Here I go. Okay, yeah, format here. Okay, I can say okay, number custom. Simply you can specify how many digits you want. This is also we have one way. Okay, this is the simplest way rather than applying the like multiple function. This is the simplest way doing the format. Right, clear this one sir, clear this one, right? Yeah, now I go and edit it here, number functions, right, so pi value, power, it is a, okay, let's say power 10 comma 2 sir, that means it is a 10 square, okay, we will get the 100 sir. Okay, if I say 10, okay, it is a 10 to the power of 4 sir. Okay, this way we can work it actually. This is the power. Now again we already discussed about the round functions, round function. Now sine I will discuss it little bit. Okay. Now this is sine. Now I will discuss about the square root. Yes, so square I will discuss it now. Yeah, square root is if I give 16 sir, the square root how it works sir actually. Yeah, this is the square root sir. Okay, this is the square root. If I give 16 here sir, okay, then it is a 4 square and this will go, you will get the 4 output actually. see sir, you will get the same output 4 only because we applied the decimals in the format, so it is coming. Okay, this is the square root. Even if we give to 100 also, you will get the 10 square root. Okay, then it is a square sir. It is a square root, then it is a square actually. Let's say if I give square comma 10, that means it is a 10 squares. You will get the 100. If I give 5, it is a 5 square, you will get the 25. Now okay, Zn function, yeah, it is just replacing the null value, replace with the null value. Zn is the function to replace. If you find any null value, it always replace with the 0. That is the Zn function. Now I have to talk about this SIGN sign function. Again, sometimes it is important, sir. Okay, let's find sign of. Yeah, it show the symbol, sir. Sign of profit. I am saying this is the calculation too, sir. Here, if I go profit, I am dragging here. At the same time, state. Let's go and add a state here, sir. Okay. See, there are some negative values, sir. Here I don't want decimals. It is confusing, right, sir? Decimals. Okay, just remove the decimals here. Okay, standard format. That's it, sir. I just simply remove this one. I don't have. Now, see, sir, wherever negative values is there, it will display -1, sir. The sign function display 3 values. If it is a negative, then it is shown as a -1. If it is a positive, +1. If it is a 0, sir, it will display 0. 0 is not positive, not negative, so it will display 0. Okay, -1, 0, +1, -1, like this. Okay, now I want to, okay, what are the negative values, sir? Yeah, if null, you will get the null values only, sir. We will get the null values only if it is a null. Okay, it is a kind of a null value only. Right, sir. This is always get the almost 3 values normally. Sign just to show that it is a whether positive or negative. And we can do some of the aliases also if you want, sir. Like if it is a 1, then I want a positive. Okay, if it is a -1, then I want a negative. Okay, that can be done, sir. Just you can go here. So aliases here, sir. Now if it is a -1, sir, negative something. This I want a text like this, sir. Okay, if it is a positive. So if it is a PO positive, if it is a 0, you can simply specify the 0 or leave the 0. Yes, sir. Hello?
Shiva.
Yes.
Yes. See, sir? Oh, no, the connection loss.
Again voice breaking. Okay.
Yeah, now it is connection loss. 1 minute, sir. I don't know, net is yeah, what is happening in the net, sir.
Okay. Now it's okay.
Yeah, hello? Sir, tell me, sir.
We didn't get that. What you said that we are going to convert from there. The voice has been breakdown.
Oh, okay. That sign function, sir.
Yes. -1 and +1. You said that if you want to convert like that.
Oh,
Positive, negative, these.
yes, sir. Okay, we have one function called sign function. Okay, this is the sign function, sir. Suppose if we get the positive value, sir, it will show +1, means 1 normally. Okay, if it is a negative value, sir, here we will get the -1, sir. Let me clear the aliases first. Actually, we will get the aliases. Just clear the aliases. Now we will get the output, sir. See, sir, if it is a positive value, you will get the 1, sir. If it is a 0, then you will get the 0. If it is a negative value, you will get the -1. Okay?
Okay.
Sign function. Okay.
Yeah, it is. It display the sign of your number, sir. Okay? Right, sir. That is the sign function. Yeah, which I would like to talk. These are the number functions mainly. Okay, here we regularly use normally round function. Okay, sometimes many times Zn function also more frequently. and sometimes sine function, very rarely, sir. Okay. Other than this, I don't see any useful function here. Other than these three or four, sir. Okay. Round, sine function, Zn function. Okay, that round function. Other than this, I never see, means we never see regularly we use these functions. We have them, but in reporting point we don't use actually. Even round also we can do through formatting also, but somehow we can use round function also. Okay, number functions are not too important, sir, but we should know about the round and all at least. Now, if I go to the string functions, string functions are very important, sir. Okay. Now, if I say ASCII values, sir, just remove all these columns now. Okay. ASCII values, if I say, sir, for each and every character, sir, in a keyboard. Okay, we have a symbols, we have a alphabetics, right? Okay, for each and every symbol in the or alphabet, it has a one number at a defined back, sir. Suppose if I give A, sir, capital A, then if I see, sir, it is a capital A, right? Yeah. See, sir, if it is a capital A, it is a 65 number, sir. If it is a capital B, then you will get the 66, sir. If it is a small a, then this is 97. That means for capital A, for small a, there is a difference, sir. Always. It means database treats as these two are the different. These two are the characters are the different actually. Right, so if I apply suppose percentage, then you can see the 37, sir. Okay, or if issue has symbol, then you will get a separate number for it. For each and every, we have a ASCII value. Why we use this one? Okay, where we can understand this one. Let's say if I go here, sir, create one Excel. Let's say I'm having ABC. I'm having ABC, sir. Yeah. Okay. If I go, where is the data review? I think view data, right, sir. There is a sorting, I think somewhere. I think in the home only. Yeah, if I do sorting, sir, A to Z. Okay. Then if I do the sorting Z to A. Oh, here it is nothing changing, sir. Here. Huh? No, ABC should change, right, sir? If I say Z to A, it is not changing actually. Okay. Let's say, sir. Okay, I go for reporting here. Okay, remove this one. I will show you the difference. Why? Okay. Suppose if I go for Tableau, year is there. Okay, I create one more sheet here. Okay, I create one more sheet here. I simply column name is name. Okay, here suppose ABC. There are two values. Okay, simply save this one. Now in the Tableau, I go and correct this one, sir. This source. I go Excel, and here Excel I am going to connect. Okay, this is there are two values here, sir. Oh, both are coming in. What is happening here? Tableau, here. Oh, it is two are small and capital only, right, sir? Okay, maybe I don't know why it is coming this way. Okay, if I go and refresh this one, refresh data source. Okay, maybe it is something, it is causing difference, but suppose, okay, if I sort the data, there are, okay, capital ABC, small ABC, sir. If I do ascending order, capital ABC comes first, sir. Okay, if it is a descending order, small ABC comes first, because it is order based on the ASCII value. Okay, that is my intention to display that one, sir. Okay, because for capital A it is a 65 sir, for small a it is a 97. Okay, if you do the descending, small a comes first. That is the intention to display that one. Okay, right. If I say edit, so okay, if I go for a string function, again a character, so we have a string function, char function. It is simply opposite, so opposite to the ASCII value. If I give the number here, so if I give the number, you will get the character that for that related number. Okay, if I give 97, you will give the you will get the small b. Okay, it is the opposite actually. Now suppose I go to the department, yeah, okay, here only I just simply put state into my report, sir. Here the content function, sir. I am applying contains function, contains state, if state contain, okay, with a, sir. If state contains a, it will display true, sir, otherwise it display false, sir. Almost, see, sir, in the here we don't have any a, sir. That okay, here Delhi we don't have any a. Okay, that means, okay, if a contains anywhere in the string, okay, anywhere in the string it can display true. If you don't find any a, sir, then it will display false. Now ends with, sir. Okay, we have a ends with, if any, okay, state ends with a, then it will become a true, sir. See, sir, here Karnataka it is true. Yes, see, sir, these are not meeting that condition, this one it is false, here false, here false, this is true again. Okay, that is ends with, sir. And we have a starts with also. Okay, at the same time we have a start with. If it is starting with yes, sir, then it is a true, otherwise it should be a false. See, sir, true till here only. Rest all are false actually, because it is not starting with any a. Okay, and let me go here, start with, ends with. Okay, now I want a find, sir. Suppose I want to identify, okay, if any a is there in my name, sir, I want to identify that a position of that string. Like we have a find function, sir. Okay, if I go, yes, sir. Hello? Hello?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Come again, we can't hear you properly.
so actually there is a network issue. We are not able to get that.
Oh, till what point, sir? You got it? Till what point you got it?
Ends with, again repeat.
Oh, ends with, right? Okay. Ends.
Still have issue.
Okay. Still have issues, sir?
నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ ఉన్నట్టుంది సార్. అది సరిగ్గా అసలు వాయిస్ మొత్తం బ్రేక్ అయిపోతుంది, అసలు ఏమి వినిపించట్లేదు మాకు.
ఓకే ఏమో సార్, ఇది మరి ఎందుకు అలా వస్తుందో ఏమో తెలియట్లేదు. నెట్ అయితే ఇక్కడ అంటే మీరు చూస్తున్న సిగ్నల్ ఏం బాగానే ఉంది సార్. ఐ డోంట్ సీ ఎనీథింగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. లెట్ మీ కనెక్ట్ టు ద రాజశేఖర్. యార్ నెట్ ఇష్యూస్. Hello, now I connected some other net. Now is it okay, sir?
Yeah.
Now.
Okay, yeah. Okay, if I say ends with, sir, ends with, I give state, column name, comma, suppose yes, sir. If any state ends with yes, sir, then it will become a true, sir. Otherwise it is a false. See, Alabama, okay, Alabama, it is ends with yes, sir, you will get the true. Okay, Arizona ends with yes, sir, you will get the true. Okay, at the same time we have a find function, sir. Now I want to identify a position from the state. Okay, find. Now suppose it gives the number, sir, position number. See here we have a sir, we got 1 only. Here we have a 1, sir. Here the a is in the second position, you got 2. Here the a is in the 6th position, you got the 6. This is the one kind, sir. Now I want, there are so many a's here, sir. Okay, 1 2 3 4. I want to third occurrence of a, sir. That means I want the position of this one, third occurrence, right, sir? A. We have one more function called filed nth, sir, and which occurrence you want, you have to specify. Either second occurrence, third occurrence, fourth occurrence, second, whatever, sir. Okay, you have to simply specify that one, find nth. Yes sir, find nth function. Now see sir, okay, in the third occurrence 1 2 3 4 fifth position sir, for third occurrence. Here for third occurrence it is a 2 sir, 1 2 3 sir. This is, I got it actually. Okay, I got the 10th position. Is that fine sir? You got that one? Find 10th and find. Okay. Let's say is date function I will discuss in the date function sir. We have again in the date functions is date function is there. Okay, I will discuss in the date functions. Now here left sir. Now I want to display some of the portion of the states. I don't want to display whole state. I want to display some of the portion. Left of state, sorry, okay, left of state comma 3. If I say 3 digits, okay, then that means you will get the only 3 digits. See, from the left side, you will get the 3 digits. Okay, if I say 4 digits, I can from the left side I will get the 4 digits. And in the same way we have a right function also. Okay, same way we have a right function. It is okay, counting from right side sir. See this 1 2 3 4, from the last to 4 digits we can display. We have a right function too. Now
Sir,
yes sir, yes sir.
so just now you said about the position of A. So if there are multiple of A's, so how can we get the counter?
Okay, you want
So
to
in Andhra Pradesh, if you take that there are three
right sir. Okay,
A's and the position of the
no, what is your
you
position?
got it.
Yeah, what
So
is your
in Andhra Pradesh,
okay?
in Andhra Pradesh we have 3 A's.
Oh yes sir, yes.
So in 3, just I want to know the position of each and every A with counter.
Oh, each and every A of, okay, each and every A of, okay, position.
A position. How many A's are there? Is the position. What is the position of that A?
Yeah, how many A's are there we can identify sir, but we have to do some calculation, okay, more calculation. But for each and every position
Okay.
of A, okay, that I don't think we cannot identify sir. Right sir? Have you any seen sir, any
Okay.
reporting to?
Complex functions are
That is I think very complex functions might be because huh?
TV level.
Ah,
Limitation.
yeah, we do 2 limitations actually. We don't have that type of functions to count all the A's, which position it is. But you can say, okay, how many A's are there in that Andhra Pradesh? We can count it.
Okay.
That is possible. Okay, that I will explain sir. How many A's we can find it easily. Let's say, okay, it is a right function, right sir? Now it is getting from this one. Now find, okay, is date left length. I would like to identify length sir. LEN function, length of state. If I say, sorry, STAT, length of state. Now you can see sir, 7 14. It calculates a length, calculates spaces also. Okay, here Andhra Pradesh, okay, there is a space, it calculates spaces also. Now if I say here we have a lower function sir, lower function to display the state in all in the small letters sir. So you will get, this is the capital, you will get the small letter only. Okay, here, okay, L trim sir, and same time sir, for the lower we have a upper also. Don't forget that one. Okay, we have a, for the lower we have a opposite way, upper also. Now all the state become a capital letters. This is also possible. We have a upper function also. Here before, okay, L trim functions. ltrim function. I want ltrim. Now if any identifies, if it identifies any spaces, it will remove. Ltrim will remove the spaces normally. Left side trim. Suppose okay, I am giving space 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 a b c. I am giving this one. So let's say what you will get it, sir. You can see if I remove the spaces here, then a it comes little bit okay before. So now I am giving the spaces now 1 2 3. Now it means there are some spaces, sir. Now if I apply the L trim here, sir, L trim left side, if it found any spaces, sir, left side if I found any spaces, then it will remove. Okay, L trim is the function to remove the spaces from the left side. We have a similar, sir, R trim also. Okay, that means if you find any spaces at the right side, it will be removed, sir. Then we have a one more function, sir, trim function. Trim is the function to okay remove the spaces both sides, left and right, sir. Okay, trim is the function to remove the spaces between left and right. Now let's say my scenario is not left and right, sir. My scenario is okay, there are spaces in middle now. Okay, there are some spaces in middle. Now I want to remove the spaces, middle spaces, sir, in middle. Okay, we have a function called replace function, sir. Okay, it is not removing actually, we can replace, sir. We are not removing any, okay, here. Just whenever I identify some space here, I want null value to be displayed. See, sir. Oh, what happened? Oh, sorry. This bracket is there. Yeah. See, sir. Now ABC, the space is removed. Is that clear, sir? Now, okay. If any middle spaces are, just we are replacing with the null value. So it will be okay removed in the in between any spaces. Now, okay, as we discuss as how to identify number of A's in okay in any state, sir. Right. Simply what we can do, sir. First to I identify the length of states. Okay, length of what happened this length of state. Okay, I minus okay. Again, sir, I use length only. Okay, here replace here state comma. If I found any A, I will replace with this one, sir. Now, okay, you will get see, sir, how many years. In the Alabama there are 4 years, sir. Andhra Pradesh there are 3 years. Arizona there are 3 years. Sorry, 2 years only. Okay, here 3 years. Okay, did you understand what is this function, sir? First, okay, I took the count like length of the state. Then I replaced wherever okay A found, I replaced with the null value. Then again I take the length. Okay, now it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 maybe, sir. Here we will get the 7 for Albania. Then replaced with the A with the null. Here 1 2 3 4. Right, sir. There are 4. You will get something 3 or something. Here you will got 4 means you will have a 4 digits here. Right, sir? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 only. But how many years? Yeah. Right, sir. Sorry. 7 minus 3 you will get 4 actually. This is the output we get it. Okay, we can count the number of years. That is fine. That is possible. But
Position.
yeah, position, how many for there are multiple years we cannot identify that, but particular year we can identify the position. Okay, that is L trim or trim under. Now right we know. Okay, okay, space, if I apply, okay, I will talk about these functions, okay. And now if I say some of the spaces here, space, suppose there is a B C, sir. Here I am doing concatenation D E F, let's say, sir. Here A B C D E F. So I want to put some space here, sir. I can apply space function here. Yes, PSC is space function, and I have to give the number. It will add 2 spaces, sir. Now it will add 2 spaces between A B C. Or we can simply use Okay, we have one more function to use. Simply we can use this one also. Okay, this is also to apply the space. Oh, what happened? A B C. Okay, plus some space, again semicolon, D E F. Something we can do. This is also a way to apply the some spaces in between. Okay, right. Split, we have a one function, sir. Okay, by delimiter we can split the columns, sir. By delimiter, let's suppose SPLIT split. Okay, if I say A hyphen B hyphen C hyphen D hyphen E, okay, if I say hyphen here, okay, this is the my delimiter, sir. I want first column. Okay, so it is a delimiter. How many columns? A, B, C. There are 5 columns, sir. I want first column. Now you can see only A. If I give 2, sir, then I will get the B. Right, sir? If I give -1, sir, then you will get this one, sir. It start from right side now. See, sir?
Your voice is continuously breaking.
Continuously breaking, sir?
Hello, Subha.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir? Your voice is continuously breaking.
Oh, okay. ठीक है, sir. Let's wind up today.
Hello.
Okay, let's wind up today, sir. Because from which function you identified, sir? Issue?
Hello.
Space.
Yeah, from which function you identified issue, sir? From which function you got issue? Hello? I think better we can leave it. Sir.
No, so we discuss.
Okay, I just leave that one. Wait to leave meeting. They can see at least. These are regular expressions. Sometimes it is used.